Okay, so moving right along to the next one, we have 3 coffees from Brazil and 4 from Colombia. Okay, and that makes 7 total, which are going to be displayed with 1 on stand 1, 3 on stand 2, and 3 on stand 3. F is on 2. One of the displays will have 2 Brazilian coffees, so the way that these are split up is that we have like 2 of them matched together and 1 of them on its own. So we could have another Brazilian one in group 2 and then like the extra one somewhere else, or we could have 2 together in 3. L and M have to be together, and F and H can't be together. So we could have G and H together, or we could have G and F together as the 2 Brazilian coffees. If O is on stand 2, then what must be true? Okay, so if O is there, we don't have room for L and M on stand 2, so L and M have to be together on stand 3. And then the only way that we can get 2 Brazilian together is to put G on stand 2. So C is the correct answer. Which one of the following must be false? Okay, so back to original setup. F there, can't have H there. Okay, so must be false. So a Brazilian coffee is displayed by itself. We actually have to have a Brazilian coffee by itself, or no, sorry. We do have to have a Brazilian coffee being the only Brazilian coffee in a particular display, but it doesn't have to be by itself. So like here, H could be by itself, that would be fine. Or we could have N by itself. So A is possible and B is possible. So for a must be false question, that means that one, like the correct answer, is going to be false, and then the 4 incorrect answers are things that could be true. So if it could be true, we're eliminating it. So we're eliminating A, we're eliminating B. One stand displays only Colombian coffees. Yeah, that's possible, because we could have N on its own, so that's fine. 2 stands each display both Brazilian and Colombian. Yeah, that's possible. Yeah, that's possible. So we could have 2 and 3, right? Where 2 displays 2 Brazilian, 1 Colombian, and 3 displays 2 Colombian and 1 Brazilian. Like we could put H here, and that would be fine for D. So E is going to be the one that causes problems. So E says no stand displays only Colombian coffees. And so the issue with that is that there's no way that we can actually make it work where we have have the Colombian coffees just split between 2 displays, because we have the Brazilian coffees split between 2 displays. So we have 2 Brazilians together and another Brazilian on its own, and so we can like add Colombian to that, but there is going to be some display that has 0 Brazilian. And so whichever display that display is going to have all Colombian. So there's going to be at least one stand that displays only Colombian coffees. So E is the correct answer there. So like in this case, we could put H here or here, but if we put H in display 1, then N is going to be over here, and this is going to be all Colombian. And if we put H here, then this is going to be N, and that's only Colombian. So however we try to solve this one, we're going to end up with at least one stand that displays only Colombian coffees. And there's no way to get around that rule because of the way that we have to split up the Brazilian ones. Okay.